Welcome to Tech Research. In this video, we will see if you have your PDF file and you want to convert PDF file as a Kindle format and publish on Amazon platform or other platforms. So this video might be interesting for you. How to do it? Let's start on my Mac screen. So first of all, I will show you one of my PDF file as a demo point of view. I select my PhD thesis here. This PDF file around 60 pages. So I just simply close this one, and here I open the Google and type here Calibre. This is the one of the platform. Using this platform, you can very easily convert your PDF file to Kindle format. This software available Windows, Mac, Android, Linux as well. I just simply click here and you just simply download Calibre software for this different operating system: Windows, Mac, Linux, portable pen drive, Android and iOS as well. For which operating system, I just simply select here in the Mac, download. The software size is a 322 MB, but after installation, the consuming too much space, I already download the software and install as well. So you just simply download and install very easily. Again, go back here in the app section, search the Calibre. This is the software. So like this is the blank software. After install, this is the framework of the software. Here you should add the book like this. Select the add, select your book. So I just simply select here my PhD thesis book. Afterwards, here edit metadata. Here the some other option is available. If you want convert this file, so you can convert individually or bulk conversion as well available. Apart from that, here the view Calibre library is also available, and some other features is also available. Today we target as a PDF to Kindle format. Just simply click here convert book. So here afterwards, so many different features are available. Here the PDF file, I already uploaded PDF file, and here the PDF file name, and top of the screen output format, which format you want convert your PDF file. So like EPUB itself is a Kindle format, and if you want publish your PDF file convert as a Kindle format, so AZW3, this is the more supportable for Amazon Kindle format. So you should select this one, or you should select EPUB as well. As a standard performance ratio, I select AZW3 and then say OK. So now is converting going on and completed. Process is completed. I just simply select here AZW3. If I click here, so look at this, the file is automatically convert as a PDF format and more authenticate and systematically. Look at this, I just simply scroll here to here mouse, and the file is automatically changed. So this is the beauty of this software. We can see here in different options as well. If you want change this file, like simply convert and EPUB. Now I'm not selecting EZW, EPUB, and say OK. Wait a couple of seconds. Now it's done. Like look at this here, two different format. We click here EPUB and let's see which one is a better, the EPUB or EZW. So look at this here, both formats we are receiving impressive results. So this is the one of the best process to convert your PDF file to Kindle format using Calibre platform. I already added this platform link in video description. You can very easily come to this platform and convert your favorite PhD thesis, research article, or any other book. Write this book in PDF format or Word format. You should convert Word to PDF and PDF to Kindle format using Calibre platform. This is the one of the easiest and simple and authenticate and free of cost. Hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.